beautiful.
Hello everyone! Hello! This is Gina from this channel, Ed's Dance and Food. And so, I'm very glad to see you today. I would like to introduce myself to you. I'm Gina from the Philippines. So, I have done this video or this YouTube channel because I would like to share my fitness journey and my weight loss journey to everyone. So I would like to advocate positivity and the hope and inspiration that we can all achieve our goal, our dream body, as long as we are consistent and discipline even in what we eat. So as for me, I still have my tummy here. Look at my tummy. So I'm still working on it, and I hope that through my exercise I will have better I will get into a better shape, especially with regards my tummy. I also have workout for my arms. I have my monkey bars. I do stretching and arm dumbbell for my arms. So you are all invited to come and join me dance here at Ed's Dance and Food. Thank you for watching. Bye.